Now we discuss few aliphatic and aromatic families which will be considered, which will be discussed in 11th and 12th syllabus. So we are now taking first of all aliphatic families. First family is halogen derivatives of alkane. We have three types of halogen derivatives. They are first of all mono halogen derivatives. They are having only one halogen as a substituent. So we have the different members here: CH3Cl, C2H5Cl. Carbon number 1 is having chlorine. This is CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. Now the common name of first is methyl chloride. IUPAC name is ethyl chloride. This is N-propyl chloride. IUPACically they are called as chloroalkanes. This is chloromethane, chloroethane, then 1-chloropropane. Since propane has 3 carbons, so chlorine can be also present on the second carbon. So we are mentioning the position of chlorine here. These are all called as primary alkyl halides. Since halogen is attached to a primary carbon here, primary carbon is that carbon which is either attached to one carbon directly or to non-carbon. So this was first class. Second is dihalogen derivatives of alkanes. So they are having 2 halogen in the carbon chain. There are 2 classes of this system. First is alkylidine analytes. CH2Cl, CH2Cl. This is first system. Common is ethylene dichloride. IUPAC name 1,2-dichloroethane. Then we have another system. This is called as propylene dichloride. IUPAC name 1,2-dichloropropane. So this is first class of dihalogen derivative. Then we have second class. They are called as alkylidine analytes. No need of writing dihalide here. Dene shows that same carbon contains both halogens. So first system is CH3, CHCl2. This is ethylidine dichloride. IUPAC name is 1,2-dichloroethane. Then we have CH3, ClCl, CH3. This is propylidine dichloride or chloride only, or this is 2,2-dichloropropane. Then we have C class trihalogen derivatives. They have 3 halogen. First is CHCl3, CHBr3, CHI3. Common name of this is chloroform. This is bromoform. This is iodoform. IUPAC name trichloromethane, tribromomethane, triiodomethane. So these are the trihalogen derivatives of alkanes. Then we have tetrahalogen derivatives. This is tetrahalogen derivative, this is also tetrahalogen. So first compound is thought to be the derivative of acetylene. That's why its common name is acetylene tetrachloride. IUPAC name is 1122 tetrachloroethane. This is tetrachloromethane. So these are the tetrahalogen derivative, all halogen derivatives. Their nomenclature has been taken, that has been discussed. Now we come to the second class, that is alcohols. Alcohols are the derivatives of alkanes having OH group as a functional group. They are also monohydrate, dihydrate and trihydrate. Monohydrate alcohol, they are again of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So first of all we have second family, aliphatic family, that is alcohols. They are number one, monohydrate alcohols. They have only one OH group. First member is CH3OH, second is C2H5OH, third is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So first system is, it is methyl alcohol, N-propyl alcohol. Now they are named as alkanols. Methanol, first member is methanol, ethanol, propanol. So these are the primary alcohols. This is first class primary alcohols. Then we have secondary alcohols, which are having OH on the secondary carbon, CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH3. This is secondary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name butane 2-ol. Then we have tertiary alcohols. OH group is attached to tertiary carbon. Common name tertiary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Then we have second class of alcohol, that is dihydrate alcohols. We are having two OH groups. This system is called as glycol. So common name of this is ethylene glycol. IUPAC system is ethane 1,2-diol. Then we have another system, 3-carbon system having 2 OH group. This is propylene glycol. IUPAC name propane 1,2-diol. So these are dihydrate alcohols. Then we come to trihydrate alcohols. This is our common glycerin or glycerol. IUPAC name will be seeing the longest chain. It is propane 1,2,3-triol. 3 OH group named as triol. So this is our second family having OH in the functional group. Then we come to the third family, third aliphatic family, that is carboxylic acids. They are also of 3 types: mono, di and tricarboxylic acid. First of all, we see the mono carboxylic acids. Common name is formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid. IUPAC name: count the carbon and add oic acid after the corresponding alkane. It has 1 carbon, methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. Then we have dicarboxylic acids having 2 carboxylic groups. This is oxalic acid found in spinach, पालक में मिलता है. It is ethane 1,2-dioic acid. This is propane 1,3-dioic acid. Then we have 1 tricarboxylic acid. We have other systems, succinic acid, adipic acid. We have already named that. This is succinic acid. IUPAC is butane 1,4-dioic acid. Then if we add more CS2 group, 2 more, this is adipic acid. IUPAC is hexane 1,6-dioic acid. Then we have tricarboxylic acid, CH2, COOH, OH. Here none of the carboxylic group is to be taken as parent group. All of these groups, they are to be taken as a substituents. So this compound will be named as 1,2,3 derivative of propane. So it will be 3-hydroxy propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. IUPAC name is this. Common name is citric acid. Found in all citrus fruits. It is citric acid. So these are the carboxylic acids. Now we come to another class, that is derivatives of carboxylic acids. So we have four classes of derivatives of carboxylic acids. First class is acid halides. This is RCOCl. Common name is formyl chloride. IUPAC name is acetyl chloride, propionyl chloride. Then we have methanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. Propanoyl chloride. Then we have second class amides. SCONH2, CH3CONH2. First is formamide, formic acid derivative. This is acetamide, derivative of acetic acid. This is methanamide, 1-carbonamide, methanamide. This is ethanamide, 2-carbonamide. Then we have third class esters. They are RCOOR-, HCOOCH3, CH3COOCH3, CH3CH2COOCH3. Now this is methyl formate. Alkyl group is named first, followed by carboxylic acid part. This is again methyl acetate, derivative of acetic acid. This is methyl propionate. Here they are called an alkyl alkanoate. So this is methyl 1-carbon acid methanoate. Then we have methyl ethanoate. Then we have methyl propanoate. Then we have fourth class of derivative, that is acid anhydrides. First is formic acid anhydride. This is formic anhydride. IUPAC name from methanoic acid, it is methanoic anhydride. Add CH2 here, we get CH3, CH3, COO, COO. This is acetic anhydride, ethanoic anhydride. So these are the anhydrides. So these are the four families of the derivatives of alkanes, carboxylic acids. Then we have another family, that is ethers. They are considered as the derivatives of alcohols. Their common name is named as dialkyl ether or alkyl group, alphabetically written before ether. and IUPAC name, they are named as alkoxyalkanes. So our next family is ethers. They are R O R dash. If R and R dash they are same, it is called as simple ether. If they are different, it is known as mixed ether. Then we come to the first member CH3OCH3. This is called as dimethyl ether. IUPAC name will be methoxymethane. Then we have C2H5OCH3. This is ethyl methyl ether. Or this is called as methoxyethane. Then we have C2H5 of both sides of oxygen, it is diethyl ether. IUPAC name, one ethoxy and other is alkane, ethoxyethane. So if we have different groups, then big alkyl group is taken as parent, ethane. Small alkyl group along with oxygen is taken as alkoxy. It is taken as substituent. Then we have next class, that is amines. They are of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary amines, first of all, are NH2. First member is CH3NH2. Common name methylamine. IUPAC name aminomethane. Then we have C2H5NH2. This is called as ethylamine. IUPAC name aminoethane. Then we have secondary amines. They are having two alkyl groups attached to ammonia, two hydrogens replaced by alkyl group. This is commonly dimethylamine. IUPAC name, one is amine, methanamine, another is substituent. So N-methyl methanamine. Similarly, we have mixed amine. The big alkyl group is taken as parent. So this is N-methyl ethanamine. This is ethyl methylamine. Then we have tertiary amines. They are having three alkyl groups. All the three hydrogen of ammonia are lost to alkyl. So this is trimethylamine. IUPAC system N, N dimethyl aminoethane. Here we have different alkyl group here. Suppose you have C2H5 and CH3, C3H7. Then big alkyl is parent. So it will be N-ethyl, N-methyl, propane one amine. One carbon is attached to group. It is ethyl, methyl, N-propylamine. So these are the amines of three types. Then we have the class aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. They are isomeric compounds they have general formula R2. Aldehydes, they have formula RCHO. Ketone have formula RCO, R dash. Now for aldehydes, we have member SCHO, CH3CHO, CH3CH2CHO. For ketones, we have CH3COCH3, CH3CH2COCH3, CH3CH2COCH2CH3. Common name to be derived from formic acid, it is now formaldehyde. From acetic acid, acetaldehyde. Propionic acid, propionaldehyde. IUPAC name 1 carbon al, methanol, 2 carbonyl ethanol, propanol. Here it is propanone IUPACically or dimethyl ketone. It is ethyl methyl ketone or butanone. This is pentane 3-on. IUPACically 1, 2, 3 way on है. Pentane 3-on or diethyl, 2 side diethyl. Diethyl ketone will be the name of this compound. Then we have alkyl cyanides, RCN. First member CH3CN, second member CH3CH2CN. Common name methyl cyanide, ethyl cyanide. IUPAC name 1, 2. Ethane nitrile. Cyanides are called as nitriles IUPACically. This is propane nitrile. Then we have alkyl isocyanates. This is RNC, CH3NC. Common name is methyl isocyanide. IUPAC methyl carboxylamine. Similarly, C2H5NC. This is ethyl isocyanide or it is ethyl carboxylamine. So these are isocyanates. Then we have alkane sulfonic acids, CH3SO3H, C2H5SO3H. This is methyl sulfonic acid. This is ethyl sulfonic acid. This is methane sulfonic acid. Then we have ethane sulfonic acid. Then we have thioethers, ethers of sulfur. They have formula RS, R CH3, SCH3, dimethyl thioether. IUPAC name is dimethyl sulfide. Then we have C2H5S CH3. This is ethyl methyl sulfide or it is ethyl methyl thioether. So these are the different systems of aliphatic compound. Then we have nitroalkanes or NO2 family, CH3NO2, C2H5NO2, methyl nitrate, yeah, nitromethane, nitroethane. Then we have nitrides, ONO, C2H5ONO. This is methyl nitrite, ethyl nitrite or nitritomethane, nitritoethane. These are named like that. So nitroalkanes and nitritoalkanes, these are the two families which will come across in the 12th class. So they are to be named here also. So then we have Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is used in the synthesis of compound. This is CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. If we have C2H5MgBr, it is ethyl magnesium bromides. So this is all about the naming of the aliphatic system. Then we have aliphatic alcohols also, thioalcohols. as we did thioether, thioalcohol, they have formula RSH. First member is CH3SH, methane thiol, C2H5SH, ethane thiol, common name, methyl hydrosulfide, ethyl hydrosulfide. So these are the aliphatic system. Tomorrow we'll take the naming of the aromatic systems, and then we'll proceed to the different problems of the nomenclature, followed by your next compounds, next processes of phenomenon which are involved in the organic chemistry. So this is all about the nomenclature of aliphatic system.